Hey guys, the last session we had seen how to secure a password inside the shell script. In this session, let us see how to read the password from a file into the shell script. So we return this script called dbstatus.sh. Here we were asked to enter the password in the command prompt directly. If the user is not interactively using the terminal, then this method will be very difficult to use, right? So let me just copy this script to a new file called dbstatus1.sh, and here instead of prompting the user, I'll just delete this line also this line, and I'll create a file called pass and I specify the password inside this file. Okay, now I save this. So instead of prompting the user directly, here what I do is I just create a variable and say cat pass, and I use that variable here. Okay, so this is also a similar way to read the password from a file. So now if I execute this script, so this also behave in the same way as prompting the user in the command line, right? So what this script does is it reads the password from the file called password. So it is pass, right? So this pass file contains the password of system user, and I create a variable and use the command cat pass. Okay, and I give it inside the dollar and parenthesis so that this will be taken as a variable, right? So if I give like this, if I just cat dollar pass, I can use echo dollar pass instead of cat. Yeah, so to print this variable, I give a dollar symbol again, and the contents of this variable is printed, right? So this may be confusing. In this case, you can give some other name instead of giving pass. I just give the variable name as password, so that it will be easy to differentiate, right? So yeah, I should not use cat, I should use echo to print variables. Okay, this is a variable and this is the file name, and for executing the command inside a variable, we have to use this dollar symbol or this backtick. So this is similar to quotes, right? So likewise, I can use this backtick and use this command inside this backtick. Now if I print the same variable, I get the password. Okay, but even if I specify the password inside a file, it will be easy for other users to go and check inside this file, right? The password of system users will be still exposed. So in this case, what we can do is we can encrypt this file, this password file. Okay, if we encrypt the file, then the user cannot directly cat the file and check the contents of this file. The user need to decrypt the file, and then once he specifies the password or passphrase, then he has to print the contents of the password. Okay, so let us see in the next session.